This guide will show you how to export all your Figma mockups into a single clean PDF that you can easily share or print. Start by going to your Figma homepage. This is where all your recent files and team projects are stored, so it makes it simple to find the design you want to export. Once you locate your project, click on it to open it. Figma will load the full editor so you can see all your frames, layers, and the layout of your design. After the project opens, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on the Figma icon. This opens the main menu where you can access different file options. From this menu, move your cursor to the Files section and then select the option that says Export Frames as PDF. This option is specifically meant for combining multiple frames together into a single PDF file, which is helpful when you're exporting an entire set of mockups or pages at once. When you click the Export option, Figma will open a small window showing your export settings. Here you can double check the frames that will be included and make sure everything is correct before exporting. If you need to adjust the order or select different frames, you can go back to your canvas and update your selection. Once everything looks right, click the Export button. Figma will start preparing the PDF, and depending on how many frames you have, this may take a moment. After the export is complete, your browser will automatically download the PDF file. You can now go to your Downloads folder, where you will find the finished PDF waiting for you. Open the file and you'll see that all your selected frames have been combined into one clean, organized document. This is perfect for sharing with clients, sending for review, uploading to a website, or keeping for documentation. Once you get used to this workflow, exporting mockups from Figma becomes a very quick and reliable process.